How to cut the video in Instagram story. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can cut the video on your story before uploading it on Instagram. Hello. Well, the process itself is pretty simple. So first you want to go ahead and open up Instagram. Then you want to tap on the plus icon of your screen, and now what you want to do is, instead of heading over to your story option, you want to head over to your post option. Now the story doesn't give you an option to crop your video to the part that you wish to upload. It'll just upload the first 1 minute of your video. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and tap on post option, and then you can go ahead and select a video and tap on next. Once you tap on next, now you want to tap on the trim option at the bottom left corner of your screen, and then you want to trim it to the part that you wish to upload. Once you trim it, what you can do is you'll find the save icon there on the screen. Currently you can see at the bottom there, you can see the save icon right here. So once you save it, you want to head back, tap on start again. This time head over to story, and on your story now you can go ahead and post the video that you just streamed. So this is the way that you can cut the video in Instagram story, or for Instagram story. You can use other video cutters, editors as well, and then later post it on story. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.